What up, y'all? I don't usually show myself on video, but we're gonna do this today. Maybe we'll get to know each other. My ABS is still on. My ABS light, so I'm gonna try to figure this out today. I thought it came on because I messed up my wires, my handlebars, but I don't know. I think it's something else now. And when I changed the spark plugs, it went out for a few days, and I'm like, why did it do that? Like, why did it fix itself and then come back? I'm thinking because I took the seat off. So I'm wondering if there's something underneath the seat that ain't right. Maybe there's a loose connection. So I'm gonna mess with the ABS today, see if I can figure this out. I really want to fix this. And the check engine light's off. It's been good. So the only thing left is the stupid ABS light. So let's figure this out. So I'm going to take the bags off, take the seat off, take the side panel off. I got some stuff to bleed the brakes just in case. We'll see about that. Let's see if there's any loose wires here. Alright, so we got the covers off. So let's take a look at this once. Here's the ABS. Here's the line. Okay. I really thought when I messed up my handlebar wires that it had something to do with this. So here's this line. So this guy's connected. I unplugged it, plugged it back in. So he goes underneath the seat. I wonder if the seat's pushing on this maybe? I don't know, I think my problem's under here. And then we have this ABS line here. And this goes, let's see. This goes to right here. Let's plug this guy quick. That looks fine. I have not seen any oil out of here doing that breather. Yeah, it seems to be doing good, so. Alright, I don't see no problem there. This has been going on for a long time, so I don't know. And I thought it had something to do with my handlebars, so I didn't mess with it. So I want to see like what goes where here. See, what would my seat hit? This? Everything seems tight there. Let's check this guy. I'm not sure where that wire comes. I don't know if it's this one or not. See, I did take all this apart, wire in my heated gear. So, I mean, I could have done something that isn't happy. Alright, I gotta put this wire back in. Alright, looking on here, right? My seat, this bar could be pushing on here. It runs right here. This was under here. I put it on top. It's kind of tight. So I don't know if I don't really see a big deal there if it's resting on there. Well, let's keep looking. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I took the side cover off. I'm going to turn the bike off here. I'm going to pull this main fuse. I'm going to take all this back off, check my battery connections, see if I messed up anything under here, and then we'll go from there. This is real too. I had to take my front seat mount thing off, but you pull this out. I don't unplug that. Unplug this again. pulled this out of here, this one out of here. Took those 2 screws out. That was part of my mount. You gotta push it forward to get past this. And there we go. I don't see nothing weird, nothing out of the ordinary. I wired in my stuff and my heated gear, fuses. Everything looks good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unhook my battery. Let it sit for a little while. Maybe that'll help something. Yeah, since I'm in here, take a little steel wool and clean all my connections. You know, since I have enough of this stuff. Clean all my wires. Make sure we're good, yeah? Got it all back together. Made sure I tightened everything. Everything looked good. Made sure there's no problems there. Put the main fuse back in. Let's just see what happens. Let the battery off for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Unplugged. I need that light to go away. The radio off, I hope. Yeah. Here we go. Started pumping the rear brake. I was doing this. And now it's blinking. Now the red light went off. Now it's working. I think I need to bleed my brakes. Let's try that again. For a second. Pumping the brakes. When I bump the brakes, pumping the brakes, it starts working. Let's try to bleed the brakes. Let's see what we got here. Maybe because when I did the handlebars, I got air in the system. I don't know. I'm about to find out. Here we go. What is under here? Jeez Louise. It's full. Hold on. Well, the good news is I got a 7/16, but I found a 3/8. I've seen videos where they pump it up through the system and they suck it out the system. I think I'm just gonna try, and I'm not gonna change the fluid really. I'm just gonna bleed the front and the back. Well, I messed up my video and I was hitting end when I thought I was hitting play, but I had the line on here. I cracked it. I gave it like a half a pump. I shut it. I did that twice here. And then this one was hard. I almost need 2 people, but I got long arms, so I reached up, put pressure on it. I cracked it, a couple inches into the line, shut it, and I did that twice. Yeah, my video got, messing up big time. All right, now we're on to the rear. I'm gonna open this guy, and we are gonna bleed this guy. I'm hoping this goes good. If this doesn't work, I might have to take it in, have them bleed the ABS system. All right, let's see what we got here. Fluid in there. We got some fluid. Yeah, everything look good? Yeah? Okay. All right. Brake fluid all over me now. I hate brake fluid. It's one thing I hate more than anything. Brakes. All right. I kind of like to just barely crack these open just to make sure they're loose. Oh. All right. And I'll make sure it moves at least. Because now I can use the open end. Not to worry about stripping the bolt. So I'm gonna put pressure on the rear brake, and I'm just gonna crack her. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna go all the way down, close, up, pump it a few times. I'm gonna hold it down again and open. All the way. I might saw a little bit of air there. Okay. And close. All right. And up. Pump it a few times. Feels good. All right. All right. Topped off the fluid. Clean the rim. Clean the seal. Tighten it. All right. Let's see. Pedal feels good. Let's see. Feels good. If this doesn't fix it, then I'm gonna have to take it in. Or someone knows something I'm missing, can help me fix this ABS. Yeah, moment of truth. Come on. Drop it down. All I'm doing is I'm doing this. Boom, I just lifted it. Now it's working. What the frick? All I'm doing is going like this. I pulled the fuse out, the big fuse again. So this harness basically is going into here. And I just clipped this I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna look at what's under here. I bet you it's something to do with this. Or it's this big mess of wires that are right here, all twisted up. All right, let me take a little look-see at here, see what we can find. I don't see nothing corroded. I don't see nothing corroded. All right, I'll be back. I took some electrical cleaner. I sprayed really, really well. And I put some of that lithium grease in there. And we are fixed. All fixed it. Please like and subscribe. This is awesome.